Okay guys, I'm back now. So I created this custom thing, and I don't really need this custom thing because that's not really what I want to do, but I wanted to show you could do it. Now what happens if you did it, you want to add it back, you want your own, you want the original one, you can go into navigation and just go back up here and you can add this thing just right back there, and boom, it's already there. The only thing that you have to set is the title by going in there and just say what you want to say. The home. Okay. Now again, because this is not very customizable in this way, there are going to be issues with this thing. There's certain things you're not going to do. Now also notice how it gave you like this little bottom shadow. I'm going to show you actually by undoing this because I can. And I'm going to go back to our old one, and I'm going to show you I can add a shadow down there too. Not only they can do it, but I can do it too. What I might need to do in order to add that shadow is I have to go into the rectangle, and then I can add a shadow. And because it's on the sides over there, you're not going to see the shadow on the sides, you're only going to see the shadows underneath. So if we run this right now, you'll notice that I guess I logged out earlier. Log in. We also got a little shadow there, so we can add that too. And what other thing you might want to do stuff like this because you might want to have these custom headers for different reasons. And I'm going to show you another reason why we might want to have custom. So we have this custom header already. We can just drag this down here. We can actually slide it over to the side, and it will know the name because the guy's already logged in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another one. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to simple. I'm going to drag on this thing again here. Again, remember it's like 101, so edit here. It was 103. Make it height 103. And I'm going to set a color. I'm going to use the primary color. And if you look over here under branding, this green one here, if I go to this rectangle here that was mine, it does not really let you say primary, but it notices when it's primary if you choose the right color, which I think is a little bit crazy, don't you guys think? Anyways, so by the way, you can make this into a different kind of thing here. I bet you didn't know that. What we can do, one thing we can do is we can turn off the background. We can add it rounded if we wanted to be rounded. What we would do here, if we didn't want that one on the top showing, just pull it up till it's just gone, right? And then when we run this, you'll get that rounded thing in there, but you won't see the one on the top because it's way up there. So you can also do that. The other thing I wanted to show you, which I know it's somewhere, I will show you that part later. For watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.